Hi friends, it has been a week since I started using my Lenovo Vibe Z2 Pro. The build quality of this phone is very solid with a metal body and good quality plastic. It feels premium in hand. It comes with 16 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. It has 5 megapixel camera at front. It has QHD display with 1440 by 2540 resolution. It provides sharp pictures and colors are vibrant and looks great. It comes with Snapdragon 801 quad-core processor clocked at 2.5 GHz with a 3 GB RAM and 32 GB inbuilt memory. Installed with Jelly Bean 4.4.2. It comes with two UIs, Lenovo Custom Vibe UI and Stack Android UI. Vibe UI has some cool features like you can change wallpaper by flipping on right hand top corner. And you can activate micro screen by swiping like this. Touch is very responsive with no lag so far. It comes pre-installed with Lenovo applications like security, share it to share data from other phones, sync it to backup your contacts and SMS on cloud. It also supports 3D gestures like shake to lock. To activate Android UI, go to settings, about phone, version information, tap software version number 5 times to activate developer options. Once you activate developer options, go to developer options, press switch system UI style. System restarts into stock Android UI. To go back to Vibe UI, press developer options and switch UI. It will reboot into Vibe UI. It has one more option of having private zone. To get into private zone, drag notification bar, press private zone. You can personalize it with password and choice of applications. Data saved in this zone be private and accessible in private zone only. You have option of changing themes, wallpapers and boot animations. This has 16 megapixel rear camera which can record 4K videos. Camera has two modes, one is smart mode and another one is professional mode. In professional mode, you can control exposure compensation, ISO, shutter speed, white balance and aperture. Pictures are very sharp and clear. It also has panorama mode, night mode, HDR mode and trajectory mode by default. You have many other options to choose. I have uploaded few pictures in my blog. Gaming performance is very good as it has 2.5 GHz quad-core processor with 3 GB RAM. Gameplay is very smooth. To conclude, Lenovo Vibe Z2 Pro is a solid phone. It gives a serious run for money for most of the top-end phones. At 33K, it has serious hardware and build quality.